how to make and create art flyer on Canva PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to make an art flyer on Canva easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So first thing, go to canva.com and click on create a design, search for flyer and click on it. It will take you to this page. Now go here and scroll all the way down until you find art flyer option right here. As you can see, you have many options here. All what you have to do is search for the art flyer right here until you find it. Okay, let's search. Where is it? And if you didn't find it like this, here is it right here, art flyer. Click on see all. Now choose a template, for example this one. As you can see, you can edit the text and everything from here. Very easy and fast. You have many options to edit. You have this template, this one, and many more others. And very easy to edit. After you finish editing, go to the top and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.